Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Remove the negative terminal of the battery using a 10mm wrench. Loosen the terminal. Put it aside. Lift up positive terminal protector. Use a 10mm wrench. I'm using a short wrench. If you're using a longer wrench, just be careful. As you turn this, it doesn't touch the body or anywhere to ground, because you will short the terminal. This is the positive terminal. It's pretty dirty. We're going to clean it up. Loosen it. This is very, very corroded, so I'm going to carefully use this hammer and just tap on it. Free it up. You don't need to swing on it like you're trying to hit a nail into a piece of wood. Just tap it free. See, it opened up once I started to hit that. And now I'm just going to wiggle it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of rust penetrant on here. That's a 12mm nut. I'm going to use a 12mm socket, extension. Again, being careful, don't ground this out because you are touching the positive terminal. Break this free. I'll put this aside. I'm going to take this wire off, and then I'll take this part of the harness off. And that'll give me a lot more movement. Now I can take the terminal off. Just still stuck on there pretty well. So I'm going to try tapping it some more. I'm going to spray some rust penetrant on here. It's not going to hurt anything. Just help me slide it off. So that terminal is really dirty and gross. So we're going to clean it up and reinstall it. Pull the cap off of this. So we've got our wire brush part of our battery terminal cleaner. And I can knock off some of the heavy stuff with this. You can use rust penetrant to clean it. You can also use a wire brush. I just want to knock it off so it's, make sure it's going to have a nice contact on the battery post, because all of your power goes through this to get to your starter motor. So if it's not making good contact, you're going to have trouble starting your vehicle. I'm going to use some battery terminal cleaner. It actually turns the color when there's battery acid present. That's why you do want to wear gloves. Just get this nice and clean. So now we're going to clean off the battery. I'm just going to put a rag here and just kind of grab some of the stuff. So push that all around the engine compartment. Spray some battery cleaner over here. Wipe down all the excess. I can wipe down the battery. This nice and clean. Take the other end of our battery tool, clean the positive terminal. same for the negative. Clean the inside of the negative terminal. Install the positive terminal. Put the positive cables back on. The big one went on first, and the smaller one on top. Install the nut. Tighten it down. Tighten down the positive terminal. Make sure it feels nice and tight. And then reinstall the negative. Now I'm just going to use some battery terminal sealer and just spray it on the battery terminals to help protect them. Reinstall a positive terminal protector, click it down in place, just wipe it off. The battery's all nice and clean now.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.